Hey guys, this is a simple video for this luggage, but today I will not talk more about this luggage because I just want to share the lock. Okay, so this is the TSA lock, and then basically when you for this kind of luggage you need a lock. Okay, so I think this one is a better quality one compared to another one which I will show later. So in order to set it, actually you need to start it from 000. Okay, they want every time all the lock is like this 000. Okay, so yeah, this is the lock how it look like. If you look at that, you just press it. Yeah, okay, and then as I said, this one the quality is slightly better lah. Okay, yeah. So if you look at the luggage design, and then if you listen, there's a click sound just now. Alright, so meaning from 000 you need to set the pin number that you want. Okay, after that then you press the button again, then you hear the click sound. So this is how you set the luggage lock lah. Very simple one, right? So yeah, this is another one, the smaller luggage. And then the quality may be not so good, okay, compared to just now the big one. So every time they have the instruction, just now that one they give you the card, so this one they give you paper only. Okay, and then it's more simple, meaning not so secure lah, I would say that from my point of view. Okay, and then I look at the quality is also not so good lah. Okay, not so solid compared to another one just now. So again, for same thing, always 000 is the default one. So now you need to set your own one. You need to pull the time, then you can set it. But before that, make sure you don't lose it. Alright, so meaning you set your desired number, then you just release. Okay, so this is how the big one and the small one compare. And then if you look at, I have another video regarding this lock. Yeah, so this one is the also another good one lah. If you don't have this kind of built-in lock, then you need to buy such lock. Okay.